Porbandar. Today I have made a RC car which is remote control car. I have made this car and one remote. I have used one medium motor, two large motors and one EV3 brake to make the car. One medium motor is used to move the wheels right and left, and these large motors are used to move the car. I have made this remote. This remote has two touch sensors and one EV3 brake. Now let me explain you my car. I have used this car as a slave and this remote as a master. This remote will command this car and this car will move according to the command given by the master. These both are connected using Bluetooth. Now I have programmed it by two ways. First is touch sensor, second is brake button. Now let me explain you touch sensor. In touch sensor, when both buttons are pressed, then car will move forward. When both buttons are released, then car will be stopped. If right button is pressed, then car will take a turn right side, and when left button is pressed, the wheel will move left side. So let's see how it works. You can see here now I am pressing right buttons and wheel are moving right side. Now let me press left button. Now wheel are moving left side. Now let's move the car. Now I am taking a left turn. First I move my wheel at left side. Now I released it and it got stopped. Now let me explain you the brake buttons. In brake buttons, these are the 5 buttons to control this car. When this button is pressed, the car will move forward. When this back button is pressed, car will move backward. Now it is for right and left. When right is pressed, car will take a turn at right side, and when left is pressed, it will take a turn left side. And the center button is used to stop the car. So now let's try with brake buttons. Thank you and have a nice day.